Friday. Almost Saturday, kind of. It's pretty late, but we made it to Michigan. We're in Michigan for the weekend with all the fam. We're staying in a cabin, so I'll have to give you guys a tour of the cabin, or a lake house, whatever you want to call it, that we're staying in for the weekend. We got a whole bunch of food. We're just gonna hang out, do some lake games. We're gonna maybe do some kayaks and stuff. And hang out and just relax for the weekend. So I'll show you guys all the fun we're gonna have. We have the dogs here. So Harvey's here with us. Right, Harvey? Yeah, he's pretty tired, so he's hanging out here. It's time for bed over here. So we're just gonna be hanging out here. Should be a fun weekend. We have a busy plans, and yeah. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys. So yeah, we'll take you along for the weekend with us, with families, so should be super fun. So it's later. We are at the Michigan house still. We went on kayaks today. And the dogs got to swim in the lake. And all kinds of fun stuff. So now we're just hanging out here. The girls went to the beach for a little bit. I stayed out here with my brother-in-law, my dad and mom, and then Bailey's here too, and the dogs. So we're just hanging out outside here. Yeah, but I can give you a quick tour of the house and where we're staying. Hopefully I'll get some footage from our tonight and what we're hanging out and what we're doing. So yeah. So there's the view from this little dock, and they have several kayaks. Nuka's hanging out, my dad's down there. So here's the house that we're staying in. So we're just hanging out there. Little deck. A little messy from today, hanging out. So, yep. The boys are inside. I think.
I don't know that it was that. I don't know. I didn't notice that much of a difference.
He's hanging out down
It
there.
also wasn't. It wasn't comparable at the time because it was like 70 some.
You're cute.
But it was like still in the 60s back here. So
Living
it wasn't an easy comparison.
Yeah.
I do know it was way too humid
kitchen.
the last couple of days.
What? It's humid. What are you gonna play?
You wanna play? Oh, you got cards.
Yeah.
You want to do a magic trick?
Oh, you know one?
Yeah.
Show me a magic trick.
A little portrait. There's our little room that we're in. Little bed and all our stuff, and Harvey's bed, little closet. Bathroom. Didn't turn the full light on. There's the little bathroom.
Shuffle it, and then kind of put it.
Upstairs.
And then you have the shoe pile. And then you kind of push a pile like this.
A bathroom up here.
This pile shows this pile. Keep it. Because in this pile, it
And
shows
then
this
a little
pile.
loft with
This
some
pile, it shows this pile.
games and stuff.
Whichever one is in. Narrow it down. Back out.
Little table area up
We
here.
ended up with like 3 cars and this is area.
Gonna look down.
It was pretty pathetic one.
Yeah. And then everyone else's. This room has a lot of beds in it, where all the sisters are staying in here. Hi, buddy. Are we in some beds? What are you doing? That is the house. It's been really, really fun. Hopefully I can vlog more. But yeah, super fun. What is this place called? Pottery? Claybanks.
It's really pretty.
Claybanks. Pottery place. Okay, we're gonna go in there. We're going to have, what are we having?
Incredible obstacle.
A critical obstacle course.
Incredible obstacle.
There's Dad, he's got his mask
You
on
gotta play
too.
some.
Yeah. Whoa, who are you?
I don't know. Chatterbox. Human garbage.
And your red shirts and you're eating those, that's fun.
Get lids. Thingy. Human garbage disposal.
I don't have it.
Chatterbox.
Uh-huh.